Hi guys, it's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a bear crawl to tall arm plank. To start off, we're going to be on the ground in a tabletop position. Wrists are going to be directly underneath your shoulders. Knees are going to be directly under your hips, at shoulders width apart. You're going to tuck your toes underneath and then raise your knees 1 inch off the ground, squeezing your core tight as that is going to be your stability. From here, you're going to fully extend one leg, then fully extend the other. Then when you bring your knees back into 90 degrees, your knees should be 1 inch off the ground still. And that is a bear crawl plank.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!